What's going on, boys and girls? Down here today I have a slow leak in this tire on my tractor, so I'm gonna put another tube in it. Here's your life hack for the day. If you take a scissor jack like this, in this case a 23mm deep socket fits on the end of it, makes really quick work of raising and lowering equipment when you have to work on it. In this case, just so I have room to shove my block under there, I'm just going to raise this up with the scissor jack underneath the tongue. So I'm going to put the tongue in my receiver for my truck. I'm not going to put the pin in. And what I want to try to do is I want to take this scissor jack, hold that thought, I'll be right back. What I'm going to try doing, I got a piece of 3/4 inch ply here. I'm just going to go underneath this tire. I've never done this before, I'm just kind of winging it and seeing if this works. You guys can't even see what the hell I'm doing, can you? There you go. And I might have to take a couple cracks at this, but what my hope is that I'll be able to raise this jack and pop the bead using the tongue. I want to get it as close to the rim as possible without contacting it. Try this again. Yeah, she popped. Wow, that thing was on there. Alright guys, we're back in business. I appreciate you guys watching. If you found this helpful at all, I'd appreciate a like. And if you feel like putting up with me on a regular basis, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.